Oh my god, sorry guys. So this recording was in mute. Okay, okay. Let's see. So I'm just opening that. So my whiteboard. If you know that already, that's good. If you don't know, let me. So guys, this recording, the first 8 minutes, what was in mute. So bear with that. So you can't do anything. But anyways, now I just unmute that. So the recording will be available. So you guys know already like how you can convert the normal numbers into a binary digits. That is like ones and zeros, right? So anyways, let me show you the small example. Yeah. So suppose if I just take like 15. So this number, so this is the integer I have. So I need to convert this integer into binary digit. That is like ones and zeros format. So that's why what I'm next going to take is like first you guys should remember some rules. Like so binary means like what it is. It always converts into ones and zeros, right? So how many digits are there? Only two, right? So always starts with two. So here. So just keep it like this. 2 and the power of 0. Sir, what is this one means? Like, yeah. So if you want to convert any numbers into binary digits, we have to follow this rule. So always starts with a 2. Why? Because we have only two binary digits. Suppose if you have some other binary digit like 1, 0, 2, something like that. So different binary digits if we have, here we'll take 3. Here if we'll take 3. So because we have 3 binary digits. So here we have only 2, right? That's why we always target on the this one. Sorry, what is that? Color it is taking. So we have only 2 this one number. So next starts with 2 power 1. Sorry, forget about my handwriting guys. I'm just not using a mouse today, so I'm just using touchpad. So 2 square and 2 cube till it will goes 2 cube, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 7, like that. So okay, let me write this 2 to the power of 4 as well, because yeah, now let's see. I want to convert this 15, right? So how we can convert? So first it starts with 15, right? Okay, like if you just take 2 power of 0, what is 1? What is the 2 power of 2? So sorry, 2 to the power of 1 is 2. That is 2 power of 1. So this is 4. Next it is 8. Next it is 16. So we don't care about this one. So 16 means like our digit is 15 itself. So what is the use of this one? So just remove this one. Now just count 8, 4 plus what is this value? 12, 14, 15. So this is the binary digit. 1, 1, 1, 1 and 0. Rest all these are zeros. So this one is like this. So this is the digit. If you just find out, so 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So we got it right. So this is the binary digit. So now let's talk about this one. So bitwise operator. So how it works. So now when you're working with x equals to x, what is this ampersand operator? So that means it will convert first the normal number into the binary digit, and it will just find out the difference. So what is this one? Okay, we'll just use this ones. So we have the same numbers a and b, right? So now what is that script? Yeah, so we'll just use the same thing. So these are the arithmetic operators. So I'll just give the small comment for that. So these are arithmetic operators, and next one we have bitwise operators. So bitwise. Okay, now let's see. So I'm just going to take this one, copy. So instead of this one, let me take some a value is 8 and b value should be 13. Okay, so here let me use a, what is that, where is that, sorry, one sec. So instead of directly giving this one, so I'm just to take the actual value of that. So let a equals to a ampersand of b. Let's see what we'll get. So if I just take a value over here, sorry, where is that? Oh sorry, where is the server? Yeah, here is getting 8 value. Okay, let's find. Suppose one sec. mm, so if we just use these values like this, or else one sec, if I just use directly a ampersand of b instead of this one, let's see. What is this? We are getting 8 value. Okay, let's see. Let me use console. Maybe if we get that value, console.log, sorry, log a ampersand of b. Okay, you're getting 8 values. So what is converting this one values? So first it will convert this a value. So what is the 8 value? 8. So what is that binary digit of that what we'll get? Sorry, binary digit of 8 should be this one. So 1000 like this. So binary digits of 8 I'm just talking about. So this one 8. So it's like 1. Next all 3 zeros will be there. So next 13. So 13 value will be, so 8 plus 4. What is the value? 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So now binary digit value will be like this: 1101. So this one. So it will just find the difference between these two things. So it will give the value of that. So what is the use of this bitwise operator? And that is the and operator. So it is supposed to give the value in the form of 1. Sorry, that means like 8 divided by 13. Okay, let's see if I just exchange the values, does it will give the value or like how? Because it is should give the exact value of that. So why it is giving 8 instead of this one? Let's see. What's it, guys? Go to the console, just click on this one. Sorry, what is this values it is taking? Okay, it's fine. No, I didn't want. So now we need to find like why it is giving % of a, this one it is supposed to give. So maybe backend it works like it will convert this a value into binary digit, that is like 1101, and this one is like 1000. So that is the binary digits. Now when I use AND operator for this one, bitwise operator, sorry, so it is supposed to give in the form of 00 something. Like what is the difference between these? So okay, let's see what is the difference between this one. 8 sorry, 13 minus 8 means 5, right? So should to get binary digit of 5, so what is the value? First this one 1, next is 0, next is 1, next is 0. Always this next is all zeros. Why? Because see this one 1 plus 4, what is the value? 5. So we are getting 5, right? This one binary digit of 5, so we are supposed to get this value 5, but I'm not sure like why it is getting 8. So here it is supposed to give value of 8. Okay, so this for AND operator. Now let's see about other thing. Not sure like why it is not giving actually the value. So like we are making any changes or like any issues with that. So this one, and the next we have cap. Where is that cap? Yeah, this one. So let's see. So what is the values we are getting? So 13 5. So now this one, see, you can see the 5 we are getting. Why? Because 13 minus 8, this is the difference we are getting. Okay, got it. So when I use a and b, it will give the small value. So which variable have less value? So it is 8. So when I use a or b, so which one is less value? So not less value, it is greater value, 13. Suppose if I use this exponential, now it is giving like 13 minus 8. So what is the value? 5. So you are getting this 5, right? See, it is converting that values. Okay, this is how it will works. Okay, sorry guys, small confusion for you. Yeah, okay, see, now it is like which one is smaller and which one is greater than, and this will give the difference. Okay, this is how the bitwise operators works. Next we'll just see this shift assignment operator, sir. First of all, what is this one? Suppose now you just see this binary digit. Okay, let me remove everything. Suppose if we just take the value of 13, so we just taking the b value is 13, right? Or else like a value is 13, right? So this one, what is the value of this one? 841, that is the 13, that is 1101. So this is the binary digit. Suppose if you don't know how to convert anything, so in Python we have some pretty different functions, right? Binary of, you can just simply use that one as well. Okay, if you don't know like how to convert this Python, so we have this one binary function. I just simply use 13. So we are getting, right? See, 1101. Forget about that 0b, that is like a binary digit, is the format of, is the 13. See the same value we are getting, right? 1101, this is the binary value. Suppose if we just simply give binary of 100, this one values 110 110. So in Python we have. So okay, this is how we can convert any Python. Okay, now let's see. We're talking about the shift assignment operators. So what it means. So shift operators always, it will move one value or like two zeros. Suppose if we just take this one, go to this example. So let me give here itself, or like, okay, I'll just comment these ones. So I didn't want, sorry, always using ampersand. You see, suppose let me take some values, that is a equals to 5. So what is the value of 5? That is like 0011. That is a binary digit. Okay, now let's see. So if I just take a equal to 5, sorry, I need to give the statement, that is a colon. So next a equal to 5, right? So suppose if I just take one more value, b equals to 2. Now this 2 what will do means like this one, let's see, console, sorry, okay, we'll just use console only. Console dot log, if I just use this value, that is a double less than b, so what is this will do? That means it will add two values. That means, see, what is the binary digit of 5? Guys, this is little tricky, but be conscious with this, like what we are just trying to do. So what is the value of a 5 we taking, right? What is the binary digit? This one, 0 0 1 1, this one. Okay, so forget about this, like here left side, if you just any number of zeros, is there any value for that one? If you just keep zeros at left side of the any value, no, right? So simply if you just leave it or like this. Now value of 5 is this one. So now when I use this operator, that is double less than, that means what it will do, it will add simply two zeros at the end. That means now what is the value of this one? These are 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 square, and sorry, 2 square, 2 cube. That means 8 plus 4, that is a 12. So we should get 12 value, guys, for this one. When I use this operator, that is this operator, if I use left, sorry, that is, or is like shift assignment operator, that is maybe how we can call it, is left shift operator, like, okay, we'll just assume this one is a left shift operator. That means it is moving two zeros. Why? Because here I've taken the b value is 2. That means we are telling to JavaScript, just add two values after the binary digit. See this one, like this. So earlier it was only 0011, like that. Now when I use two values, it will simply add two zeros and it will calculate that value, will get 12, right? So now let's see the server, where what is the value. Okay, this is the 20. I think maybe did I make any mistake at that? Let's see, guys. So 2 to the power of 0, 2 cube, 2 to the power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube, that is the value, this one. So 2 cube means 8 and 2 to the square means like 4, 12 only, right? It's supposed to give 12. That means it is giving, taking this value as well. Okay, let's see like how it is taking the value of that. One sec. So 5 value is like 1010. Oh, sorry guys, my mistake, sorry, it's wrong. 5 value should be this one. I made a small mistake. One sec, guys. So first what it will go, 2 to the power of 0, right? So here is 2 to the power of 0. It is a 2, sorry, forget, 2 1, next is 2 square, and next is 2 cube, this value, right? So now 5 value will become here, this one. So 1, I'll just make this one as 0 as well. So 1, and this one will be 2, right? This one will be 0, and next is 2 power of 0, this one. So this is the value of 5. So 0 1 0 1, this one. Now if I just simply place two values, two zeros means 0 0. Now just count the value of this one. So this one is 2 power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 square. So 2 square means 4. So 2 cube, 8. So 8 is 0, that is 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4, what is the value? 16. So 16 plus 4, what is the value? 20. Yeah, we are getting right. So we made a small mistake, that's fine. The 5 value we just calculated a mismatch. See, 20. we're getting right. So any doubts or like any confusion? Okay, if you have any confusion, just ping in the chat like, sir, I have confusion. I'll just explain you again. I hope you don't hear any background noise about the fan. Okay, see now this is the value we are getting. That means left shift operator will help you to give like to add two zeros. Suppose if I just add here 3 means 3 zeros it will add. So here it will add 3 zeros. Now you can just count it means 2 to the power of 0, 2, 2, this one. 2 cube means 8. So next 2 to the power of 16, this is 0. Next 2 to the power of 5. So what is the value of 2 to the power of 5? So this one is 16, next 32. So 32 plus what is the value? 8. 40. You should get 40. Okay, let's see. Did I save the script? Yeah, I just saved. Now if you just go to see 40, you're getting right. So this is how you can just simply pass the values to the using left shift operator. Suppose now let's talk about the right shift operators. What that means, it will simply move 2 places backside. So for this one I'll take little bigger values. Suppose if I just take a equals to some 100, just take some 100. So we'll just see in the Python what is the value of binary value of 100. Oh, already taken, right, this one. So this is the value. So now this is the 110100. Okay, this one, right? Now if I just use simply right shift operator, c b equals to 2. Now that means it will move. That means 1 comes under here. Next 0 comes, will move this one. Right side it will go. That means the output will go in the like it will be lesser value. I hope people are understanding actually what I'm just trying to say. That means here it will move 2 zeros right side. So 2 zeros if you add right side means, that means here if we add this, all values will shift. That means what is the output you are getting, that will be lesser than 100. See 25. Sir, how we got 25 means, let's see. We'll just find out that. So what is the value of 100? 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, double ones, 0 0, next 1 0 0. So now what is the value of b? I've taken 2, right? 2 means 2 zeros should move away. That means it will change the shift positions. These values will be changed. That means 1 0 0, next 1 1. That means 2 zeros it will be added. I'm just taking this one will go to here, this value will go to here, these zeros will go to next here, and next one value will go to here. So it will shift that. Suppose, sir, if I have 101, that is the value of my 1. So that means here 1 will be there. That means it will go 0 away. So it will go waste. This one, this 0. Suppose if you take 101 value of binary, so this one is 100, right? So at the end we have 0. Suppose if it is 101, here also it will be 1. So that will go waste. Okay, that means it will be shifted. Okay, now let's see these values. So 0 of this one. So this is a 2 power 0, right? This is the 2. Next this value is what is this value, guys? So 2 to the power of 1, 2 square. 2 cube means 8. Next 16. 16 plus 4, 24. 24 and this value 25. See, we're getting right. See, 25, you got it. Sir, I want to give some different value, like you just said, like 101. 101 here, and here also I'll just show you binary value of 101. See, 101 at the end we have 1, right? The same thing I just explained you. This one 1. So it will be shifted. So okay, now let's see the result. So again we're getting 25. Sir, why means this value will go right, these two like 0 1s and will be shifted. That means two values. Suppose if I just take 3 here, b value is 3, that means 3 things will be go away. So now my value is 12. I hope people are understanding like what I'm just trying to say. So this is about left shift operator and right shift operators. Okay, next one is logical assignment operators. So these logical operators, so we always go with the Boolean concept, guys. So you already know this one. So we are used true, false, true, false. That one we just used, right? The same thing here. We have to specify that values. Okay, let's see what will give that. What I'm just trying to say. Yeah, sorry. So now let's talk about the logical operators. So I'll just comment out these values. So now we're just talking about the logical operators. So A value should be a true and B value equal to false. One more thing, guys. Sir, in Python you said the boolean value starts with capital, right? But in JavaScript it starts with small letter, guys. That's why. Suppose if just make it capital, let's see. It is treating. Just see the color. See the color of true and see the color of false. How it is changing. That's why if you want to describe, that means if you want to define the boolean values in the JavaScript, we have to give in the small letters. In Python we have to give in the capital letters. Okay. Now let's see about these operators, what it is doing. That is the double so what is that? Double ampersand and double pipe symbol and double question marks. So what this one? Let's see. Okay, one sec, guys. So I got some urgent ping. Okay, now let's see. Suppose you already know this ones. So if both trues are there, then only the output will be true. So if both false are there, then only output will be false when you are using this one adjacent operator, right? Suppose, so both conditions, like if you take a number of conditions, all should be true. That's why. Suppose, sir, what is this? What you're just trying to say? Okay, let's see. Suppose instead of true values, if I just take 8 and C value could be, sorry, B value could be 9 and so I'm just going to declare two more values, let C and let D. So console, or else like we'll just use directly this one document, right, instead of going there. So here I'll just simply take A equals to 12 and D equals to 14. So simply taking two values. So here I'm just simply passing this value. So my ID equals to again, it will not create confusion, but I prefer console. I think it's good. Sorry guys, little confusing for you as well. Okay, let's say console.log I'm just using. So here I'm just simply passing two types of conditions. One is A greater than B and C greater than D. Okay, let's see. Suppose if I just take A greater than B and double ampersand operator and C less than or D, this one. See now, what is the condition of A greater than B? 8 greater than 9. So that means false. That means false double ampersand of C, this one. So here see, here we are getting false and here you are getting true. That means if you are using double ampersand operator, that means if both conditions are true, then only we'll get true. Otherwise we'll get always false. Okay. So we are getting false. Suppose if I just change the logic here, A less than B, that means 8 less than 9. Okay, that's true, and this one is also true. Both are true. So you are getting the result is true. So this is about double operator, the same like in Python we have, right? That is relational operators. So not relational, logical operators. Sorry, logical operators. So here I'm using both relational operators as well as the logical operators. Okay. Next, if I just use console.log and A greater than B and sorry, double ampersand C less than D. Just see what I'm just trying to say. I'm just trying to use a different combinations. So here I'll just use operator. So here I'll just try to make both false. So next last one we have question mark, right? Okay, let's see if I just get question mark, and next question mark, what it will give. So here I'm just simply passing C is greater than D. Okay, that's fine. Now if I just simply remove this, change this one, did this one also true. So this one, so here always true true, and here always false false. Okay, and here are the same thing. Or you guys know like how OR operator works. So if there is only one true condition, if you have hundreds of false conditions, but it will always make true, right? So that's why. Now just see the output. See, we have 6 conditions over here and we are getting 6 things. So forget about this true false true false. Okay, we know already this ones. So here both are getting false. This one, both are getting false, then only we got false, right? This one, see that fourth one. Now let's talk about this one, true. It is similar like not operator. So not operator is like giving the same exact true operator. Suppose let me change this one to false. So again false. So it is similar same like ampersand operator, guys. If you see double question marks, it is similar to this one. See, so what is the value of A greater than B? False, right? False and true. This you can see false, question mark and true. What is the output you are getting? False. Confusion, guys? Or is it clear? So it is the double question mark always works like double ampersand. It is similar to this one. Okay. Okay, now we have one more thing that is called not operator. It is similar same like our what is that, exclamatory mark, guys. Suppose we just remove this one. Now if I just print this one, let's see A greater than B. Let's see if A is greater than 9. No, right? False. See the last condition, or else instead of getting confusion. Okay, now let's see, we have only one condition, we're getting a false. Why? Because A 8 greater than 9, no, right? So that's why. Now if I just simply change the add exclamatory mark at the starting. Okay, let's see, did I made mistake or like, okay, sorry, exclamatory mark, we have to give the complete quotations of this one, not quotations, this one, complete result itself. See, we are true. Why? Because what is the result of this one? A greater than B, false, right? So it is similar to this one, means like what it is reverse. It will give the exact opposite value. If you just see the exclamatory mark, it is similar to exact opposite word. So if it is true, means we'll get the value of false. So if it is false, means then it will become true. Okay, this is the one, exclamatory mark. So now now the actual result is false. Now if I use this exclamatory mark, now result is true. Suppose if I simply change this into this one, now the actual result is this one, actual result, this one I'm talking about, true. Now if I just see this one, false. See, so this is about complete logical operators, guys. So I hope you don't find any like doubts at all, because I don't see any chats over here. Gopi request, did I got it? No, I think so, guys. No, guys, I don't see Gopi request. Okay, let's see. The next concept is about JavaScript has data types. So in Python we have the similar data types, right? Integer, like this numeric, strings, boolean types, and none types, right? The same way in JavaScript also we have different types. One is strings, numbers, and big int. This one is not in Python. So if you want to define a big int, means like this one, suppose 9876534, so something like some mobile number is greater than like mobile number, or it's like if it is greater than more than 15 digits in one number, that will treat like as a big int. Okay, next we have boolean and undefined. Undefined, you already know that. So if you declare any variable and if you don't pass any value to this one, so suppose take this one only, here I simply declared, but at the end somewhere I declared some value, right? This one, the variable equal to value. Suppose if I just remove this one, or else just comment this one, now the a value is undefined. That means you just go to the console itself. Here somewhere you can see, oh, it is not there. Okay, let's see. Suppose just comment out this one. If I just simply use console.log a is simply try to print this one. So we are getting undefined, right? This is one data type. So you see, sir, you created, okay, but you didn't assign any value to this one. See, simply you declared like this, let a, but you haven't passed any value. This is similar like this one in Python. Simply a equal to like this. If we simply a equal to like this, it is undefined. Or else we already console we have, right? Like, let's see. Suppose a equals to, see, we are getting right invalid syntax. Or else simply use print. So we are getting a is not defined. That means undefined. It is similar to that. Okay, that is about undefined data type. Now it is null. Suppose if you pass any variable to null, means that is like null data type. Next we have symbol. Symbol, it is similar to a list, guys. Okay, symbol is similar to our list. How, like, you guys remember, like in list how we define values using commas, right? The same way here in symbol also we use list only. Next object is, it is similar to dictionary. So dictionary, how we will define the values using key value. That complete thing is called item, right? Item page. The same way in object also we declare values. Okay, so these are the multiple data types which we have in JavaScript. Okay, yeah, sorry guys, anyways I have time little. I have a meeting at 1 o'clock. So anyways, let's see the other things about data types in tomorrow class as well. So in functions we already discussed about the small functions, and there is one more anonymous functions in the JavaScript as well. Like in Python we have lambda, right? Here we don't use lambda keyword, so we use separate symbols. Okay, for that one we'll just see that one, as well as one more important thing is DOM, document object model. Okay, that one we're going to discuss tomorrow. So tomorrow class will be offline only, guys. I will coming to Bangalore tomorrow morning. Okay, we'll just connect that. Okay, let's see, guys. So just practice this one. Anyways, and one more thing, guys, I forgot to tell you. So I just created a small project for you guys to submit a feedback and get the feedback from the different database, like same database from the different tables. Okay, I'm just going to give that project like after this class, or like maybe tomorrow, like today evening. You just go through the document, so you can just keep this one in resume as well. Okay, sure guys, I think I will catch up tomorrow because I have running time to attend some other calls. Okay guys, so yeah, bye and have a good day. Anyways, you'll get this recording and first class as well. Okay, I just already uploaded it, so I think maybe I'll just inform sir to give the access. Okay guys, so bye, tomorrow we'll catch up.